we're up early again and we're off to do the mist trail. Let's go. That's right, we got up before the sun, drove into the park, parked up, and now we're heading out to the mist trail, starting off with a 1-mile hike to the actual trailhead from the parking lot because the shuttle doesn't start until 8 a.m. But I don't know where the people who come for the shuttle park because the parking lot is already full. We're adding a little bit to our hike, but we're getting here early. We'll hopefully not have as many people. So let's go.
Don't leave food in your car. That's where we would come down if we did the whole hike up through Nevada Falls. And put the John Muir Trail down. That's where we would come out.
It's getting a little steep now. But we're only like, I think 0.2 miles from the actual falls. We're right over there. We're about to hit the cobblestone steps. Here we go. I see people putting on rain jackets just up ahead.
We've changed into our rain jackets for the rest of the hike up because, as you can see, it's getting very misty. And right there, the trail starts to get very wet.
Wow, we made it to the top. Amazingly, Tim is even out at the top of the falls. He's being very brave. That down there is where we started. We are about 11 or 1200 feet of elevation gain now. We were going to turn around, but we're actually going to continue on to the other falls that I can't remember the name of because we don't want to go back down the slippy stairs. So we figure it's only like 500 feet more. But look how brave Tim is being. Look how brave Tim is being.
As far as I can go. Swear to God, he is fearless.
We are continuing on to do Nevada Falls, which I've been reminded the name of. So I think it's another 600 feet, but I think another 1.5 miles. So a little less brutal in terms of elevation gain, but still going up. And you should not swim in this part, which I feel like there shouldn't need to be a sign for that when it looks like this. But you know, there's a sign because somebody did it. Let's go.
What street group?
This is actually Emerald Pool. Don't know how green it's showing up on the camera, but it's pretty green. Once again, I did not pay attention during Tim's orientation. It is not 500 more feet. It is in fact another 1,200 feet because we are currently here And we are going to the top of that, apparently.
What's up?
You go back those. How you feeling on this trek, Tim?
Feeling good so far, surprisingly. Some of the stairs were a bit sketch on the way up, and it was a strenuous climb up because there were so many steps. But other than that, I feel good. I feel fine hiking. I feel fine. My feet feel fine. My heart feels fine. Like my heart's not racing or anything. So my glasses are following well too. You jinxed me. But yeah, I'm good. I'm a little worried about this incline we're coming up to here because it is quite steep. Steepest one yet.
We'll just take it slow.
Take it slow.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh no, that was Liberty. Look at the size of this tree.
Yeah.
It starts there and goes all the way over there.
But I think I have to go over.
There we go with the switchbacks.
Oh boy. More stairs. Yay!
Are you ready for it?
Are you ready for it?
You're welcome for the Taylor reference. Well, we made it through. We made it through the incline. Now let's go see the falls. Those switchbacks were brutal.
But we did it.
We did it. So let's go see the falls as our reward and have our lunch.
I'm probably not gonna like this bit coming up, am I?
No, he probably will not. Oh wow. Oh, all the way down there. Actually, you can't even see where we started because it's around this corner. We just stopped for a little bit of lunch, ate our sandwiches, and now we're continuing on back half of the trail, which is the John Muir Trail, because we don't want to go back the way we came. So let's go. Over that bridge. The other side of the bridge, we've come into a cute little forested area. We're heading down here for a while, and then we'll get to the part that Tim's worried about that's called cliff point or something like that.
The
And
cliff.
hopefully we can make it through and we don't have to backtrack all the way.
It's a cliffside ledge where the water pours down on top of you from above.
Oh, cool. So we have that to look forward to.
Yes.
Okay. Wild how much this trail has varied so far. Like we had bits with rocks, bits with forest. Now we've got rocks and forest. It's been a tough trail so far, but it's been good. Love this little cascading waterfall. Very pretty. 3.3 miles back to the valley. 1.6 to the falls. Let's go. Well, the good thing is the trail is open and should not be any rock fall danger. Could have done with some guardrails on this part, I think.
Get ready to get rained.
Oh. Is the trail about this wide or is it get really narrow?
No. It's wide.
Okay.
It's just bored.
I can deal with that.
Yeah.
Because I've got enough.
Oh yeah, no, there's plenty.
Because I'm afraid of heights.
Yeah. Watch your
Straight.
It's a little slack.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, we have made it to the cliff part that Tim was anxious about. There is a wall, but it's very wet and dripping. So we have put our rain jackets back on. Yeah, it's dripping. Ooh, it's really wet here. I'm just gonna rush through this. Ah. Oh, this is, it's way worse than I thought it would be. That's where we came from. That was where we sat and had lunch. We made it through our second shower of the day. You made it. Deep breaths.
I haven't not had a heart attack yet, so.
No, you have not. We were just up there.
We were. Literally on that bridge.
Yep. And I went to that edge where the railing is.
Don't tell me that.
We're steadily making it down here. Still got a few miles to go though. We made it. We're back down on flat ground.
I'm not even aware. It's been a long day.
So stats are 2,220 feet elevation gain. Just took us just under 7 hours. And it was 8.79 miles, although that was from the parking lot, which was an extra mile. So we still have another mile to go back to the parking lot.
Yes, we do.
So
What did you say elevation was?
2220.
Oh, that's pretty close to the sky.
It was a really good hike. It was a really tough hike, but the views were worth it. Agreed?
It actually might be one of my favorite hikes now.
Yeah. We'll see how
It was
we
amazing.
how we feel later on, but
Yeah.
now we are gonna keep on walking and go to the visitors center thing. What's it called? The art center?
Happy Isles Art Center, I believe it is. That's where I can get my passport with stamp. We have to hit the car first so I can get the book. Oh, the car's back further.
Yes. And we're not walking back. So
We'll get it tomorrow.
we'll get it stamped at one of the other visitor centers. So we're just heading back to the car then. Let's go.